Welcome to Professor Dr. Grace's graphic class. Please watch the ad until the end so you can receive better content. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at create outlines which converts text into a path like a drawing. Normal text is editable text. In this state, you cannot distort and transform characters, so you must convert them to paths. After selecting the text, right-click and select Create Outlines, or select the Type Create Outlines menu, or press the shortcut key Shift-Ctrl-O. Right-click and select Ungroup, or press the shortcut key Shift-Ctrl-G to ungroup. Press Ctrl-Y to view the outline state. Select the pen tool and draw a shape that covers the horizontal bar of A. Press Ctrl-Y to return to the preview. Select A and the shape together. Select the Shape Builder tool. Hold down Alt and drag the overlap to remove them. Select the pen tool and click each unnecessary anchor point to delete. Select the Direct Selection tool, then select the middle path of E. Hold down Shift and press the left arrow to shorten the length. As you have just seen, applying Create Outlines allows you to convert text into paths for free transform, which is very convenient when creating a logo. Now, let's take a look at another case that you must use Create Outlines. When you print an Illustrator file that you worked with text from the print shop, if the font you used to work on is not installed on this print shop computer, the font will be missing and you will not be able to print the font you want. As you see in the document, if you are working with text in Illustrator, you should be prepared for missing font. The document you are viewing is finished and you must have the original for future text editing. To create another document for printing in addition to the original document you are currently viewing, select the File, Save As menu. In the Save As dialog box, type a different name for file name and click Save. In the Illustrator Options dialog box, click the Version drop-down button to select the version you want. Illustrator can open documents that worked in a lower version in a higher version, but cannot open documents that worked in a higher version in a lower version. Therefore, if you need to open or print a document you worked on a higher version on another computer, you must select the lower version you use on that computer. Click OK. Select all the text in the document for print. Right-click and select Create Outlines to convert all the text to the path same as the drawing. Press Ctrl-S to save. Now, when you take this document file to the print shop and print it, all the letters are no longer fonts, and they are recognized as drawings. So, there is no problem with missing fonts. As you have seen, Create Outlines is very important when working with text in Illustrator program. Alright, I hope that this tutorial has helped you to understand the purpose, function, and meaning of Create Outlines. Thank you for watching Professor Dr. Grace's Illustrator lecture. Please watch the next video in order to follow all the courses without skipping a lesson. To keep learning and master Illustrator, please press the subscribe and the like buttons.